Hi all. So by this video we will learn how to use the ping command. So for this we will create a small scenario. In this I am using some end terminal devices like PC, laptop, right, and one switch to connect all the three devices. So we are creating a small LAN. So switch is there and three end terminal devices are there. So we have to connect all these by using a straight cable. So I'm using straight cable and we are using port fast ethernet port of the end terminal device as well as of the switch. So all the devices are connected. Now the next is we have to give the IP addresses. So in this case I am using suppose class A private address range. So open the PC. Then desktop IP configuration. Here I am giving IPs 10.0.0.1 and then subnet mask default subnet mask of class A. Then I am going to give the IP address to the second machine 10.0.0.2. Then third one in the similar way 10.0.0.3. So the IPs are being given to all the machines. Now we will check the connectivity among all the three machines, whether they are connected or not by using a ping command. So how to use a ping command? Suppose uh, I'm writing IPs also here for your reference. So IP address, this machine have this IP and subnet mask, right? So we are going to give the or write the IP address for the next machine in the similar way. I'm taking a text box from here and then copy and paste it here. This machine have two, subnet mask is same, and this machine have 10.0.0.3. So we have labeled also with the IP addresses. Second machine have this and third have this. So I want to check the connectivity. So I am opening first machine. From here, just open the command prompt, and in the command prompt, we are going to check the connectivity from first machine to the second and between the third machine. So here we have to use command ping in small case or in uppercase. Use small case. Then IP address of second machine 10.0.0.2. Yes, replies are coming. By default, it sends four packets. Each packet is of 32 bytes, right? Sent 4 and received 4, lost 0. So there is a connectivity between first machine and second machine. Similarly, we can check between the first and the third machine. So open the first machine again. Now put the IP address of the third machine after writing ping. Ping space 10.0.0.3. Yes, again replies are coming 1, 2, 3, and 4 packets being sent and 4 received at the receiver end. Similar way, you can also check from the other side. From the third machine, I'm going to check between the first or the second. Same ping space. Now we are sitting on the third machine. We have to put the IP address of the first machine here. Ping space 10.0.0.1. Yes. Now from third machine to first machine, yes, connectivity is okay. 4 packets sent and 4 received. So in this way, you can use the ping command, right? Thank you.